Gotcha.
I'm like, so I've been. Hold on, I'll show you my video.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like this is where it goes.
Where's all the bread going?
If I feel them, I just pick them off.
You now know what it's from?
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. This
It's never faded.
You gotta go. You're first. We're all counting on you. I don't know, not to die.
All hands up for me, all hands up. Thank you. It's good practice for later.
Help me, Tom Cruise.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
This looks like a nice hotel. That's happy hour.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
Oh, you're just saying the first time.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
It's fun if your feet lift up, because they can't lift back down. Oh, it's great. Oh, it is actually. I was only a little scared. It's different. Is it really?
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Looks like from Goosebumps.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your safety in the tower which has been erected.
Welcome back. Didn't exit and to your left.
Thank you.